Okay, so we're gonna do a slow and fast tutorial of Soldier's March. So I'm gonna start at the beginning. I'll do nice and slow. Changes. Left hand goes to treble clef. Okay, that's the first section. We're gonna do it faster. Take that same section and go slow again. For it. Good. Going slow is about thinking ahead. Okay, let's do it fast again. Now, that next section is exactly the same as the first section, so I don't even need to do that. Now let's go to the third section, which is after the double bar line. We're going to do it nice and slow to start. Remember, when you're going slow, it's about thinking ahead. Think about it, get ready for these chords. F sharp, F sharp, D. F sharp, D again. Okay, so we're gonna do this section now a little bit faster, like medium tempo. Let's go back to slow again. Thinking ahead. C, F sharp, E. Go in. F sharp, D. G, D. Okay, we're going to take this a little bit faster than the last time. Do your best. It's okay if you can't get it perfect, no problem. last section is pretty easy because the first half is exactly the same as the very beginning. And then you only have to worry about this. Oh, not C sharp. So let's go back to the beginning of this section. We're going to do it slowly. Just like the beginning. Excuse me. And then you go down to the C this time. Then you got a D, A, D, F sharp. Top ones go up, bottom goes down. Okay, so we're gonna do this faster this time, just medium tempo. Okay, let's do it one more time slow, and then we're gonna go one time faster. Think about it, get ready for it. D, A, D, F sharp. Then top goes up, bottom goes down. Let's do it faster this time. Get ready for this. If you didn't get that on time, it's okay, you will once you practice it a few times. All right.